Welcome to my channel Travel Guide Kenya Airways Baggage Allowance Explained, Weight, Fees and AMP, Rules Flying with Kenya Airways. In this video, we explain the full baggage allowance details including cabin bag limits, checked baggage weight, excess baggage fees, and special item rules. Whether you're traveling economy or business class, know exactly what you can carry to avoid extra charges at the airport. Watch till the end for smart packing tips and the latest baggage updates. Checked baggage is piece concept, PC. For most international routes, Kenya Airways uses a piece-based system rather than pure weight for many routes. Free allowance typically allows 2 pieces in business class, Premier World, and 2 pieces in economy on key international routings, with per-piece weight limits. Business, Premier World checked allowance, on routes Africa left-right arrow America, Europe, Africa left-right arrow Middle East, Asia, including Bangkok Guangzhou, and within Africa, 2 pieces, each max 32 kilograms, 70 pounds. For Bangkok Guangzhou round trip, 1 piece max 32 kilograms. Economy checked allowance, same major routes, Africa left-right arrow America, Europe, Middle East, Asia, within Africa, 2 pieces, each max 23 kilograms, 50 pounds. Bangkok Guangzhou, 1 piece max 23 kilograms. Note, some older, domestic or specific fares may limit to 1 piece in economy. Check your booking. Dimensions for checked bags, each piece should not exceed linear dimensions, length plus width plus height, of 158 centimeters, 62 inches, total, including handles, wheels. Oversized bags incur fees. Hand, cabin baggage allowance, varies by route category. For flights to, from EU, US, UK, business allows 2 pieces, each max 55 x 25 x 35 centimeters, plus 1 accessory, total weight max 18 kilograms. For all other routes, often 1 main piece plus 1 accessory, same size, with weight limits around 12 kilograms economy, higher for business, up to 18 kilograms total in some cases. Personal accessory, item, allowed in addition to main cabin bag, handbag, backpack, briefcase, laptop bag, camera, or 1 duty-free shopping bag, max dimensions approx. 40 x 15 x 30 centimeters. This helps with laptops, personal essentials. Infants, under 2 years, no seat, typically entitled to 1 piece checked baggage, 10 kilograms, plus 1 piece cabin baggage, max 12 kilograms, dimensions 55 x 25 x 35 centimeters, and 1 fully collapsible stroller, pushchair. Overweight, excess baggage charges apply for bags over weight limits, e.g., above 23 kilograms economy or 32 kilograms business per piece, or extra pieces. Fees vary by route, often per kilogram or per piece. Max bags per passenger limited, e.g., 25 on long-haul fleet. Pre-purchase online may save money. Special baggage, sports, musical instruments, etc. Accepted under conditions. Advance reservation often required. Items like golf bags, bicycles, or large instruments may need special handling, incur fees, or count toward allowance. Restrictions on liquids, batteries, etc. follow IATA rules. Important notes and AMP variations. Allowance applies to Kenya Airways operated flights. Code shares, partners, e.g., SkyTeam, may follow different rules. Check the most restrictive. Domestic, regional African flights sometimes use weight concept, e.g., 23 kilograms total economy. Prohibited items, explosives, etc. banned, restricted in cabin, sharp objects, liquids and GT, 100 milliliters. For lost, delayed bags, first need allowance, essentials reimbursement, up to USD 100 to 150 depending on class. Safe travels. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.